Hey everyone, Greta here from Plann. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about the latest Instagram story sizes and dimensions for 2024. If you want your stories to look perfect and make a lasting impact, then stick around and let's get started. First things first, let's get the basics down. The optimal size for an Instagram story in 2024 is still 1080 pixels wide by 1920 pixels tall. That's a 9:16 aspect ratio. This ensures that your content looks sharp and also perfectly fits the screen. If you're creating your content or editing it in an app, you're going to want to make sure that your canvas or project are these dimensions. In apps like Canva, Photoshop, or even your phone's editor, you can easily set the canvas size to 1080 by 1920. But you're probably wondering, what about videos for stories? If you're uploading a video, these same dimensions apply here. This keeps your video crisp and full screen. You're really going to want to make sure that your video editor is set to these dimensions before you export. Now, when you have the dimensions right and you're ready to post, simply swipe right from your Instagram home screen to post your story. One more tip here is to keep important text and graphics within the safe zone. This ensures that nothing gets cut off by the interface once it's been posted. And that's it. By following these guidelines and dimensions, your Instagram stories are going to look great in 2024. I hope this was helpful, and until I see you next time, happy planning.